Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'll be making my version of spicy shrimp scampi. So let's get started. You're gonna need some wine. Of course, I'm using moscato. I don't even know if that's the right wine, but that's the wine I had on hand, so that's what I'm using. Of course, you're gonna need shrimp. I'm gonna be using both of my spices, the lemon pepper and spicy girl. You're gonna need a lemon, garlic, parsley, butter, and of course spaghetti, because that's what I want to use. However, you can use the pasta that you prefer, and these are my ingredients. You're also going to need a little oil just to get everything moving and gliding around. So as you see here, I already have my water boiling, and that's because I want to be able to transfer my noodles directly from the water to my sauce and shrimp. I don't want it sitting in the sink and getting all dried out. So next, I'm just going to put my pasta in and get it moving and going. Alright, so next you want to add your oil to your skillet. This is a very big skillet because we're going to toss everything in the skillet. You also want to add a couple tablespoons of butter, just like this. Next, I'm going to add my garlic and get my garlic going. I used a whole entire bulb of garlic, guys. A whole entire bulb. So it's going to be really delicious. And you want to cook that on medium heat for about 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add the shrimp. Of course, this was about a pound of shrimp. I'm going to add my Misha's Corner lemon pepper, as well as my Misha's Corner spicy girl for that spice. And these are the only two spices you're going to need, actually. And as you can see, it immediately turned the butter a nice, like a brown golden color. And that's what you want. Next, I'm going to add my wine, Moscato wine, Riesling, whatever you have. Pour it up in there. I'm also going to add my lemon juice like I just did. And you just want to mix that up. You also want to add some of your parsley. Mix that in. And yeah. Now here comes the fun part. You want to take your noodles and add it right down in that butter, garlic, lemon pepper, spicy parsley wine sauce. And immediately, guys, you're going to notice the noodles are going to soak all of that up. Don't worry, it's not going to taste dry. It's going to soak it all the way up, and it's just going to be delicious. Y'all know I can't even try it because I'm allergic to shellfish, which is a shame. However, it was amazing, and my family loved it. I'm always decorating something, but look how plumped and juicy those shrimp are, because nothing was cooked to death. We moved pretty fast with it, and you know, this all took about, well, the pasta took 10 minutes and the shrimp took like 5 minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Have an amazing new week, and I love you guys. Bye.